Today, we're going to make some Wishmas snowballs that you can eat. Okay, first, make sure to wash your hands. For this, you're going to need 250 grams of marshmallows, 2 cups of rice bubbles, 1 tablespoon of butter, a 1 cup measuring cup, and a spoon. Okay, start by putting your butter into a bowl with the marshmallows. Now, we're putting this straight into the microwave for 1 minute. Make sure an adult helps you with this. Next, the marshmallows should look like this and the butter will be melted. Give it a mix, and if it's still pretty fluffy, microwave it again for another minute. Once the mixture looks similar to this and is melted down, give it a mix and add your rice bubbles. We added them 1 cup at a time, like so. Mix this all together so it's well combined, and then let it cool down enough that you can touch it. Now it's time to grab some of the mix and roll it into small snowballs in your hands. The mixture should still be warm, but not hot enough to burn you. And once you've done that, they're ready to eat. But for a more firm snowball, try putting them in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Have fun and see you next time!